the story of the gingerbread man. Oh, it's a crazy story. And then afterwards we will make our own gingerbread people. Men and ladies and all sorts of things out of gingerbread. So, listen carefully to our crazy story. First things first. Once upon a time, an old woman and her husband lived alone in an old house. The couple had no children, and being lonely, the woman decided to make a boy out of gingerbread. She carefully mixed the batter, rolled out the dough, and cut out a very nice little gingerbread boy. She added sugar, icing for the hair and mouth and clothes, and she used candy chips for the buttons and eyes. What a fine-looking gingerbread boy she'd made. As the old woman put him in the oven to bake, he was ready. When he was fully done, she opened the oven, and he jumped out and ran away, singing, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And the little old woman and the little old man ran after the gingerbread man, but they couldn't catch him indeed. And he ran and ran and ran and ran, until next thing he came across a llama. A brightly coloured llama.
"You look good enough to eat,"
said the llama. And the little boy said, "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." So he ran and ran and ran away from the llama, and the llama indeed ran out of breath. Couldn't catch him at all. But the gingerbread man carried on running. Next thing he came across a giant donkey. "Oh," said the donkey, "you look good enough to eat. Run, 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 as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man," said the little gingerbread boy. And he ran and ran and ran so fast that the donkey couldn't catch up with him at all. So he'd run away from the little old lady, he'd run away from the little old man, he'd run away from the llama, he'd run away from the donkey, and he thought he was safe. Except now he came across a giant
camel.
Camel! Oh my goodness!
"You look good enough to eat,"
said the camel. He said, "I have run away from an old lady, I've run away from an old man, I've run away from a llama, a brightly coloured one, I've run away from a giant donkey, and now I will run away from you. Run, 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 as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And indeed he ran and ran and ran, and the camel couldn't catch him. You think that he must be tired by now. And next thing he came across a tiny little scary-looking
chihuahua.
A chihuahua! Oh my goodness! said the chihuahua. He says, "You can't eat me. I'm not good enough to eat. I'm all spicy and strange." The chihuahua agreed and said, "You're right. I won't eat you at all. I won't eat you. You don't look good enough to eat." So the little gingerbread man said, "It's fine then. I will just take a nice rest. Since I ran away from the little old lady, I ran away from the little old man, I ran away from the llama, I ran away from the donkey, I ran away from a camel, and now I'm going to rest." But that was a bad idea, because next thing, the tiny little chihuahua grabbed the little gingerbread man and ate him all up. Oh dear. Flimple, what a terrible story. What a terrible story indeed. What a naughty chihuahua. But it's fine, we'll make a whole bunch of gingerbread people, and then there'll be a whole family, and we won't eat them all at once. So all we did was we took some butter and some sugar and some syrup, and we mixed it all together, and then we added an egg, and then we added some spice, like ginger and cinnamon, and we mixed it together with flour and baking powder, and we made a delicious, soft dough. So now we still need to put this in the fridge for a little while until it goes harder. Then we can roll it out and cut it into all little shapes. So we can make little gingerbread people, and we can also make gingerbread stars and gingerbread elephants and gingerbread cats and gingerbread more cats and gingerbread bunnies and gingerbread
dinosaurs.
Oh my goodness, dinosaurs. Gingerbread dinosaurs, who's ever heard of that? And gingerbread bears and gingerbread rockets and gingerbread, what else, Flimple?
Ice cream.
Gingerbread ice creams and Ginger, oh my goodness.
Butterflies.
We'll be
Hearts.
very busy rolling, so we'll come back to you when we've made a whole tray full of gingerbread treats. All right, we'll see you later then. So, now we've taken half the dough and rolled it out nice and flat. Flimple's going to cut out some lovely shapes. Look, it's a little person. Oh, he's not coming out, he's running away. Cut another shape, Flimple. So we're going to cut all sorts of shapes. A dinosaur, I think one of those, and then we'll put them onto a tray and put them in the oven, and we'll get right back to you. And here are all our lovely ginger cookies. See you next time. Oh, delicious.
Yes.
So we'll see you next time on Character Stories for Children. And remember to look at the Facebook page where the recipe will be. So, have fun, children. Bye.
Good